everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now I tend to get very dark under eyes, especially when I'm stressed or when things is not going right. This is nothing new to me because years ago I had severe dark under eyes and I tried so many things and nothing works. However, I start making my own natural remedies and that's where I get the best result. So today I'm going to share one of my homemade remedies with you that I use to get rid of my dark under eye circles, and I see 100% result. So if you're looking for a remedy that is going to clear the dark under eyes, and not only that, a remedy that is going to help to decrease the wrinkles and fine lines around your eyes, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time.
For this recipe, you're going to need a container, a small jar to store your eye treatment. Now take a look at our first ingredient. Here we have some flaxseed. Now flaxseed contains essential vitamins and minerals that is great for the skin. It will help to tighten and firm the skin. It contains antioxidant that will boost the collagen production in the skin, and it also leaves your skin with a natural glow. Flaxseed also helps to decrease spots and blemishes on the skin while tightening, getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines, leaving your skin just younger, fresher and radiant. So I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of the flax seeds. I'm going to pour some hot water on the flax seeds. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. You can also choose to do it on the stove top. Just let it come to a complete boil and remove it immediately. Now once this is done, take a look at what I have here.
And what I'm making here is a flaxseed gel. So I'm going to set this aside to form the gel, run about an hour or two, and then I'm going to come back and strain the gel.
Now to extract the gel, you can use a cheesecloth or any mesh cloth or even a strainer to extract the gel. So I'm going to just slowly extract the gel. Once you do that, you just squeeze the gel and take a look. Now once this is done, take a look at what we have here. Here we have our flaxseed jelly, and we're now going to put this aside and we're going to introduce the other ingredient. Now take a look at the next ingredient. Here I have some parsley leaves. And when it comes on to dark under eye circles, eye bags and puffy eyes, this is an amazing herb to use. It contains all of the important vitamins that is great for the skin. For clearing dark circle is the vitamin K. For tightening and firming the skin, the vitamin A. For clearing the skin of spots and blemishes, also the vitamin C. So just an amazing herb to use in your skincare homemade remedies. So what I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be using a bit of the parsley leaves. And you do not need a lot of the parsley leaves. A little goes a long way. And in case you guys don't know, when you get your fresh parsley at home, and if you cannot use all, what you need to do is to wash them thoroughly, place them in a paper towel like I'm showing here. Get a Ziploc bag or any clean plastic bag that you have. Put your parsley in the bag and put it in your refrigerator like this. Now this will let the parsley stay in the refrigerator for a little over 10 days or more. However, if you want to keep it even longer, put the bag in the freezer and you'll have fresh parsley right throughout the year. So we're using about a 1/4 cup of the parsley, and what I'm going to be doing with this, guys, I'm going to be blending. Now the parsley does not have a lot of juice, so to create more juice from the parsley, I'm going to be adding some rose water to the blender. So I'm going to be using a tablespoon of the rose water, pour this in, and now we're going to blend. So just blend. Now once you blend, let's take a look, and this is what you're going to get. So we're going to strain. You're not going to get a lot of juice from this. And now let's extract the juice. Just squeeze. Make sure to get everything out because you're really not getting a lot. But it's very, very rich. Very, very strong. Now you do not have to discard this. You can put it away and add some brown sugar to it and use it to exfoliate your skin. So here we have about a tablespoon of the parsley juice. And what we're going to do, we are going to add another ingredient to this. Here we have some turmeric powder, which is great for getting rid of dark under eye circles, since it is known to help to clear the skin of spots, blemishes, and any form of hyperpigmentation. Now we do not need a lot of turmeric powder. We're just going to use a pinch in this recipe. So just a pinch of the turmeric powder. If you have fresh turmeric juice, you can use it in this remedy also. And we're just going to blend the turmeric powder. And next we're going to add a final ingredient to this. We're going to be using some Jamaican black castor oil. Not a lot, just a little. And a little goes a long way. Great for hydrating the skin. Great for dark under eye circles. Great for the areas around your eyes for removing wrinkles and fine lines. So we're using about a 1/4 teaspoon of the Jamaican black castor oil. If you don't have Jamaican black castor oil, you can go ahead and use the castor oil you have. And then we're going to mix this in. Now once we have this all mixed, so here we have the flaxseed gel, and we're going to pour our mixture. We're pouring this in our flaxseed gel, and now we're just going to blend this. So just blend. Now what's going to happen to this, guys, we're actually making a gel for your under eyes. So just keep stirring. Now once this is done, this is not yet ready. Make sure you have a tight cover. You're going to cover tightly. And I like to give it a good shake. And then I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. Once I put it in the refrigerator, it's going to get very, very thick. So I'm going to put mine in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to use this under your eyes for best result.
Okay, to apply the remedy, here I have it. You want to make sure the areas around your eyes is totally clean. As a matter of fact, just wash your entire face, and then you're going to use a Q-tip to apply it. Now, do not double dip, so either you use one end in each eyes or you use 2 Q-tips. So just dig in and apply the solution under your eyes. Just keep patting it under the eyes. And do the same for the other eyes. Just pat it under, and that's it. You're going to go to bed with this, sleep with it. Upon arising in the mornings, you rinse off, preferably with some cold water. Pat dry the skin, apply your favorite serum and moisturizer. Okay, if you're home during the daytime, you can also choose to use this on your eyes and walk around the house with it, but it's best used as an overnight treatment for your dark under eye circles. It's also good for puffy eyes and eye bags and wrinkles and fine lines around the eyes. So I like to dab it at the corners of my eyes also. Okay, so store this in your refrigerator for about 7 days. You can also soak some of this on a cotton pad and place it over your eyes. Now you can use this AM and PM. If you're home, you can use it on your under eyes, walk around the house with it, and you're good to go. So there you have it. Give the remedy a try. Use it for a couple of weeks and then come back and leave your comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.